Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi remembers victims, says day to pay tribute to their courage. President Murmu will address the nation on the eve of 78th Independence Day at 7 p.m. today in the entire network of Akashvani and telecast all over the network of Doordarshan. Arunachal Pradesh is land where patriotism is deeply rooted in the hearts of every citizen and is reflected in the state's vibrant cultural heritage, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India and Australia emphasize need to strengthen international cooperation for combating terrorism in a comprehensive manner. On 23rd August last year, India became the fourth country to land on the moon and the first to reach its southern polar region. To honor this landmark achievement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced August 23rd as National Space Day.